Hi everyone, this is Jingo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your custom conversions in a campaign. So over here, we're going to hit create. Gagawa tayo ng bagong campaign para mapakita ko sa inyo paano ginagamit ang custom conversion. Okay, sa video na ginawa ko the other day, it's posted in the group. Doon pinakikita kung paano ginagawa ang custom conversion. And over here naman, kung paano ginagamit. So, pipiliin natin dito sa campaign na to for the sake of this tutorial. Pipiliin ko yung conversions and then continue. You can name your campaign any way you like it. Ganun din sa ad set at sa new ad. But this is only for a demo. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng pangalan. You can just name it any way you like it. Okay? So, down here, pipiliin ko yung campaign budget optimization. Alright, so lagay natin 300. This is just a suggestion. Para sa bagong campaign, this is a new ad account also, and very new business manager. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa ad set level. Dito natin ilalagay yung conversion event. Dito nyo makikita lahat ng custom conversions na meron kayo at yung mga default ni Facebook. It is connected to our pixel. So, as you can see, yung pixel ng digital PH ay nandito na. Now, you can choose. If you choose, makikita nyo lahat dito, and then you can choose one. If you want a landing page view, whatever you want here, pwedeng purchase, leads, and so on and so forth. I can choose landing page views or leads. I will go for leads, yung ginawa ko. This is Facebook default. Ito naman yung ginawa ko. There's nothing wrong with Facebook default, but I prefer to use my own custom conversion. So, yan ang pipiliin ko. And then, sabi dito, hindi pa siya active, wala pa siyang natatanggap. But as soon as we send traffic to that event, magkakaroon na po ito ng data and it will turn into active. So, it's okay to do that.